உலக லெவலில் நம்ம கம்பெனியினுடைய நேம் பிரபலியமாகி நம்ம கம்பெனியை இன்னும் மேலும் மேலும் வளர்த்தணும். இதை 2022 50வது ஆண்டு காலம் நம்ம கம்பெனி கொண்டாடும்போது ஒரு மகிழ்ச்சிகரமாக இவங்க சொல்லணும்னு நான் எதிர்பார்க்குறேன்.
PRD Rigs has always been successful in making very good drilling rigs, and we have a wide range of drilling rigs to suit the market requirement. We have drilling rigs for all sectors like the blast holes, water well, mining and exploration, geotechnical, and various other applications and custom built applications. PRD Rigs, we have a wide range and wide reach in the African market and in the Middle East market. And in the near future, we will be expanding into the South American market, where we will have dealers at specified locations for the mining markets and the water well drilling rigs. We also look into re-entering into the Australian market, where we had a huge presence earlier. PRD is very well known across the globe for customer loyalty. We give customers the best rigs, which makes them really happy. In turn, our rigs, they provide water to the entire community, which brings happy faces across the globe. So PRD is always here to bring you a good smile.